Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now, I am coming to you today with a April version edition, whatever, of what's on my desk. Because if you were in this room, you would be asking, what girl is on your desk? On my desk right now is 3 items that are always on my desk, which is my devotional, my YouTube notebook, and my planner. Now, my devotional is still on my desk because when I woke up at 3 o'clock this morning, instead of hopping into this, getting a feel of the word, no, I was too busy focused on editing videos, and so time went on. I started cleaning up my workspace. Before you know it, it's time for Josh to wake up and get breakfast. So when I turn this camera off, you can rest assured this will be the next thing that I do. God forgive me for not focusing on you this morning. Oh my goodness. And that's why I'm so scattered brain right now as I am. Anyways, moving right along. The YouTube notebook. Now, this is just a simple composition notebook, but if you've been on this channel for a while, you know that this is where I plan out my content, projects, and things of that nature. And this is a schedule of and a list of videos that I'm currently working on or ones that I want to work on, a calendar of when I have uploaded them, because sometimes I just need to see a visual. And also, when I jot down an idea, I also need to keep track of what items I have and which ones I don't, so that there's something that I need to purchase while I'm out, I can do that. So it's just as a way of staying organized so that I can bring you guys the most amazing content that I provide you with. I know you're like, what content is you talking about? The amazing content that I bring you, that's the one I'm talking about. Nevertheless, moving right along. And in one of my previous videos, you guys saw the new Happy Planner that I purchased. I am so excited that I have it because now I can stay on top of things without having to do the most, okay? Now, as I mentioned before, I don't do a whole lot of decorating inside it, but I do a little bit, just so that I feel like a lady. No, that was a lie, because that is not what I'm striving for. Feeling like a lady, right? But I just use a little washi tape and then some stickers, and I keep it moving because I don't have a lot of time for all of that. But I do want it to look cute, so I have an incentive to work in it daily, which I have to do anyways, but sometimes I get away from it. I digress. So that's on my desk. Those items, but they're always there. Also on my desk is the pot holders that I will be probably within the next week. You'll see a video for the pot holders, and again, like I mentioned in my last video, I want to make one on camera. Now remember, the video that I did was from like 4 years ago. It is my highest viewed video, but it could be remade, especially with like HD and lighting, okay? So I just have a doily here and a applique, and then I'll make up a little kit for whoever wins it during the little giveaway on that video. So stay tuned for that one, all right? Speaking of giveaways, this one will be this weekend. I have a box of goodies. I'm not going to open it up here because this is not the giveaway, but this is on my desk because that's the next video I'm going to do after I get finished with my devotional and Josh gets out of class. So, stay tuned for this giveaway as well. I told you what's on my desk in April. It's quite a bit, and this is only like the first couple of few videos. Now that I have new internet girls and guys, your girl is going to be popping on to YouTube a little bit more often. Thank the Lord, okay? Because I've got like bandwidth that I can upload a video, and in the time that it would take me to upload one video, I can literally upload 10 or 15. I am not kidding you. That's just the upload time. Okay, we're not talking about the recording or the editing or the converting of the video. So I'm so excited about that. Also on my desk is some goodies that I packaged up to include in some pen pal mail. Okay. And let's see. You'll be seeing in an upcoming video. It's already edited. It's already in YouTube. It's scheduled for Sunday. I just have to confirm when it's actually received, but when the contents of the package is received by the recipient that ordered it, because they watch this channel. In this video that's coming up, you'll see these bangles that I purchased along with some other supplies that I ordered to replace some of the supplies that I used to create the keepsake bangle in my Etsy shop. Okay, that was a mouthful. Needless to say, the photograph that's on the Etsy shop right now, well, it's not on there right now because the bracelet is sold out, which is the reason why it's not available right now, because I had to source new materials. Let me summarize what I'm trying to say. I need to make another bracelet, and I'll probably make one for myself with my daughter's initial. Okay, I need to make another bracelet so that I can photograph it and put that on my Etsy listing, and take the one that's up there off, because some of the findings that are on the keepsake bracelet are no longer available. I have not been able to source them. So that was a lot of information, all to say that I'm getting ready to make a bracelet, okay, for myself, that I'll photograph and put that photo on Etsy so that it can be the listing photo. Oh my gosh. Talk about overcomplicating things. This is what happens when you don't get into your devotional first thing in the morning. You just become too much for yourself, too much for everybody. But I'm gonna keep going, because y'all love me, and if my husband can deal with it and he can put up with it, you guys are crafters. You guys get crazy too. You understand what it's like. Now, these cards you saw in a previous video, but what I need to do is I need to stamp the back of them, and so that I can put them away or mail them out. And I've shown you guys before in a previous video that this is the stamp that I purchased from rubberstamps.com. And let me see, that's my logo, and they offer them in different sizes. So if that's something that you guys are looking for or interested in, rubberstamps.com. I'm not affiliated with them. I was just a customer. So you stamp the back of these, mail out a few, put a few away. Okay, so that's that on there. And then last, I have, well, it's not quite last, but I have a set of cards and envelopes, because I need to get started on my Mother's Day cards. You do too. If you haven't already gotten started, you need to get started on those Mother's Day cards, because before you know it, here comes May, on your doorstep, and then you're looking around looking real crazy because you don't have any cards ready. And don't say you weren't warned. I'm trying to let you guys know, and I'm being as nice and kind as I can about it, because I don't want to hear, oh my gosh, it just snuck up on me. I'm telling you right now, you got a month, a little less than that. Let's get busy, girls and guys. Anyways, I'm really kind of talking to myself. That was a motivational pep talk for me. So if you got offended, don't be. I'm not. Anyways, so I'm going to take these embellishments that I purchased from Bakers and Crafters, simply find some scrapbook paper, and add them to these card bases that I purchased from the Dollar General for $1, 10 of them. And for each sentiment that's on here, I'll just write a message on the inside that's related to the praise. Praise God for moms who, take care of their kids. Love. Every child is blessed with a mother who loves them. You know what I mean? You get what I'm going with that. So I've got, I think it came with 6 or 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a 6th one in there. Yeah, 6. So I've got 6 cards there that I can make and send out. And trust me, I'll be able to do that. And then the last thing is, because I don't have enough stuff on my desk, enough things to keep me busy and occupied. I took it upon myself to use this shipping label. The leftovers on the shipping label. As you can see, like, this is a USPS shipping label, and it's for Etsy. No, it's for USPS.com, their website. But you can use it on Etsy. It comes on an 8.5 by 11 sheet, and on this side is one large sticker that the label gets printed on, right? On this side, if I was printing from USPS.com, this is where the receipt would be, and you can just pull the sticker off and stick it somewhere so you can keep track of it. Well, I'm just interested in just kind of like, you know, using this sticker on the gel plate to see how that works out. Anybody ever tried that? Drop down in the comments. Let me know if you've used sticker sheets on the gel plate, whether it's, you know, cutouts or anyways. Yeah, let me know. All right, so those are the things that are on my desk for the month of April, and trust me, that's just over the next couple of weeks. I've got plenty more coming down the pipeline in terms of videos and projects and other things that are not even going to be recorded. I've got other things that I'm working on, and orders, by the way. So now if you have any suggestions or any video requests, feel free to drop them down in the comments below, and I will be happy, more than happy, to see what I can do to schedule in some projects, some DIYs, tutorials for you. All right, now listen, guys, remember, we are in the middle of a pandemic. It's not over with. We can see the light at the end of the tunnel, but we're not at the end of the tunnel. So remember to wear your masks, wash your hands, 6 foot of distance for now. Before you know it, we'll be back together again, hugging and squeezing and partying and shaking and dancing and, you know, all the good things that closeness brings. Now, until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, remember to stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafty. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.